Igbo AREA TV on the Igbo.
Hello, welcome my people. Today we are going to talk about what Igbos are known for. In a world full of youth unemployment, poverty, and hopelessness, one African tribe has built a system to raise young boys into powerful businessmen, not with certificates, but with hands-on mentorship. This is Igbo Apprenticeship System, also known as Igba Boi, and it's been studied by Harvard University, yet ignored by African governments. Welcome to Igbo AREA TV. Today, we reveal Africa's best-kept economic secret. The Igbo people of southeastern Nigeria are known for resilience. After the Biafran War of 1967 to 1970, many Igbo families lost everything. Cities were destroyed, jobs were gone, hope was scattered and shattered. But the Igbo spirit of Onyaga na Nwanne, do not leave your brother behind. Give back to a solution. Older traders who survived the war took younger boys with them to the cities. These boys were trained in markets, motor parts, electronics, and more. They lived with their ogas, masters. They learned obedience, business, ethics, negotiation, and trust. It wasn't just a job, it was a transformation, a rebirth. This our people called Igba Boi. Now, here is how it works. A young boy, sometimes as early as 12 years old, is brought to the city by a successful businessman. The boy becomes an apprentice, learning directly under the trader for 5 to 6, 7 years. He doesn't go to a formal school. Instead, he learns how to buy and sell, how to handle customers, build trust, and manage money. The master feeds, clothes, and shelters him. In return, the boy serves loyally. When the time is right, the master does something powerful. He gives the boy the capital. Sometimes 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, sometimes 10 million naira. Based on the situation of things. No loans, no interest, just pure trust and responsibility. From that point, the boy becomes a man and opens his own business. Some even come back to take their own boys, and the cycle continues. It is not written in law, yet it works better than any government youth program. In 2021, scholars at Harvard Business School published a paper calling the Igbo Apprenticeship System the most robust business incubator in the world. Economists now study it. Business schools want to learn from it. Even African Americans say, we wish we had this system. But sadly, African governments are not paying attention. While the West celebrates it, we are allowing it to die in silence. No policies to protect it. No digital system backs it. No documentation secures the boys. And you know what? Some ungrateful masters now abuse the system, refusing to settle their apprentices. And like all systems, Igba Boi is not perfect. There are cases where apprentices are used as houseboys, washing clothes, babysitting, and never settled. Several stories some of the times. Some masters become greedy, using poverty as control. And the system also lacks legal contracts. So when disagreements come, the boy is left stranded in many cases. But a new generation is rising. Tech entrepreneurs are now building platforms to document apprenticeships. NGOs are calling for legal protection and official registration of each apprenticeship deal. If we modernize this system without destroying its spirit, it can become a national treasure. Now I want to ask, do you believe in African solutions for African problems? Do you want to see African youths rise without depending on the West? Then share this video. Let your friends, your governor, your president, let them see this. You know, the answers we seek are not in Europe. They are in Igbo markets. The Igbo Apprenticeship System is more than a tradition. It is a blueprint for Pan-African economic liberation. Imagine if this model was adopted by other ethnic groups. The Zulus, the Ashantis. We will not be begging for IMF loans. We will not have 70% youth unemployment. You know, the Igbo system teaches dignity, skill, and community wealth. It proves that you can rise from nothing with just mentorship and trust. This is the African future. And it starts in the hand of market traders, not politicians. Thank you for watching Igbo Area TV, where our history lives and speaks. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop your story. Were you once an apprentice? Do you support Igba Boi, the Igbo Apprenticeship System? Let the world hear our voice. This is not just culture, this is power.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.